FKA Twigs is accusing her ex Shia LaBeouf of delaying the deposition process ahead of his sexual and physical abuse trial. On Monday, October 21, People reviewed documents filed in California Superior Court on Friday, October 18 by attorneys for the English singer-songwriter, 36. Attorneys for FKA Twigs claim in the court papers the Transformers actor, 38, is an abuser who abuses his basic discovery obligations in this litigation. They claimed he has been egregiously evasive and non-responsive, producing only 9 pages of evidence. It appears that LaBeouf has something to hide, as LaBeouf has suspiciously claimed he no longer has any other responsive documents in his possession or control, as he lost or misplaced his electronic devices or destroyed relevant information prior to the initiation of this action, the filing states. Meanwhile, FKA Twigs attorneys say she has produced voluminous responsive documents and substantive written responses. Additionally, LaBeouf is accused of waiting until the 11th hour and inexplicably refuses to be deposed first, despite entering into multiple agreements between counsel that both parties would be deposed within the same week and that LaBeouf's deposition would take place first. The Capri-Psalms artist adds that as a resident of the United Kingdom, scheduling an in-person deposition in California takes significant advance planning and is highly disruptive. LaBeouf's counsel was aware of this fact, FKA Twigs attorneys wrote in the filing. Plaintiff's counsel informed LaBeouf's counsel that it would take additional scheduling to have the in-person depositions occur within the same week due to plaintiffs residing overseas, but that plaintiff would agree, in exchange for an agreement that LaBeouf be deposed first. An agreement was reached between counsel, the filing reads. LaBeouf's attorney, Sean Hawley, tells PUPL, this dispute concerns whose deposition is to proceed first and nothing more. Ms. Barnett's counsel's attempt to turn a very simple issue into something sinister is unfortunate. Attorneys for FKA Twigs tell PUPL, as stated in our papers, Shia LaBeouf has not only mistreated my client, but continues to abuse the discovery process in this litigation. What does he have to hide? We are seeking the court's intervention to stop his nonsense. The deposition is now rescheduled for October 25, per the court filing. LaBeouf and FKA Twigs began dating after she was cast in his film Honey Boy in 2018, but had broken up by spring of 2019. In December 2020, she filed a lawsuit in Los Angeles Superior Court accusing him of relentless sexual, physical, and emotional abuse. She also claimed he knowingly gave her a sexually transmitted disease. What I went through with Shia was the worst thing I've ever been through in the whole of my life, she told the New York Times. I have no excuses for my alcoholism or aggression, only rationalizations. I have been abusive to myself and everyone around me for years, LaBeouf subsequently wrote to the Times. I have a history of hurting the people closest to me. I'm ashamed of that history and am sorry to those I hurt. There is nothing else I can really say. However, he later denied each and every assault allegation made by the cellophane singer and sought to have her cover his court fees.